Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. It is class 12th and subject botany. Today we will discuss the biopesticides. What are pesticides? अगर हम पेस्टिसाइड की बात करेंगे इसमें देयर आर टू वर्ड्स, वन इज पेस्ट एंड सेकंड इज साइड. साइड का मतलब है किलर और पेस्ट का मतलब क्या है? दीज आर एक्चुअली दोज हार्मफुल ऑर्गेनिजम्स विच कैन damage our crops by inflicting the various kinds of diseases. So any harmful organism that can cause damage to our croplands by spreading various kinds of diseases can be considered as pest, and the substance which is used against the pests is known as pesticide. So pesticides are actually those substances which are used for control of these पेस्ट्स. यानी वो सबस्टेंस जो हम पेस्ट्स के अगेंस्ट यूज़ करेंगे इन ऑर्डर टू कंट्रोल देयर ग्रोथ, दे आर कंसिडर्ड एज पेस्टिसाइड्स, और द सबस्टेंसेस विच आर यूज्ड फॉर किलिंग दीज पेस्ट्स दे आर known as the pesticides, because these are very harmful organisms which can cause huge damage to our crops by inflicting different kinds of diseases. So pesticides are those substances which are used for controlling the growth of pests. Now these pesticides like biofertilizers, these fertilizers, we have chemical fertilizers as well as biofertilizers. Same is the case here. These pesticides are either chemical pesticides or biopesticides. केमिकल पेस्टिसाइड्स का मतलब है ये वो केमिकल सबस्टेंसेस होते हैं विच आर यूज्ड अगेंस्ट पेस्ट्स. जितने भी केमिकल सबस्टेंसेस हम पेस्ट्स के अगेंस्ट यूज़ करेंगे उन केमिकल सबस्टेंसेस का नाम है केमिकल पेस्टिसाइड्स. फॉर एग्जांपल DDT है यहाँ, जिसका मतलब है डाइक्लोरो डाइफिनाइल ट्राइक्लोरो इथेन. ये एक केमिकल पेस्टिसाइड है जो हम यूज़ करते हैं. जितने भी आजकल हम फंजीसाइड्स, वीडिसाइड्स या इंसेक्टिसाइड्स अपने ऑर्चर्ड्स में यूज़ करते हैं, दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ केमिकल पेस्टिसाइड्स. जैसे हमारे पास केमिकल फर्टिलाइज़र्स होते हैं, तो केमिकल फर्टिलाइज़र्स के जैसे डिसएडवांटेज होते हैं, इसी तरह यहाँ भी जो भी केमिकल पेस्टिसाइड्स है, इन केमिकल पेस्टिसाइड्स के बहुत सारे ड्रॉबैक्स या बहुत सारे डिसएडवांटेजेस है. दीज आर फर्स्टली दे आर expensive and they are health hazardous which can cause severe problems to our health. So they can be or they must be avoided, and instead of these pesticides, chemical pesticides, we can nowadays use the biopesticides. So it is better to prefer biopesticides instead of these chemical pesticides. Now, what are these biopesticides? पेस्टिसाइड का मैंने आपको मायने बताया। जो पेस्टिसाइड्स है ये वो सबस्टेंसेस होते हैं जिनको हम अगेंस्ट पेस्ट यूज़ करेंगे। इसी तरह अगर हम यहाँ बायोपेस्टिसाइड की बात करेंगे, दीज आर दोज बायोलॉजिकल एजेंट्स, और सिंपली हम यहाँ लिखेंगे बायोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनिजम्स which are used for the control of pests, insects, weeds as well as pathogens. So those biological organisms are their extracts which can be used against pests, which can be used against insects, which can be used against these pathogens which are disease causing. They are known as biopesticides. The organisms which are used as biopesticides include bacteria, fungi, protozoans, etc. So these are those microorganisms or microbes which are nowadays used for controlling the growth of these weeds, or which can be used either to repel the pests or repel the insects, or which are used to kill these pests or insects. So these are those biological organisms, are there, we can say, extracts which are used against pests, insects or weeds. These are known as biopesticides. These biopesticides are classified into two types. Number first is bioherbicides and second is bioinsecticides. Now what are bioherbicides and what are bioinsecticides? देखिए इसमें भी वर्ड बायो ऐड है, इसमें भी वर्ड बायो इंक्लूडेड है. सो बायोहेर्बिसाइड्स आर दोज biological organisms which are used against weeds. क्योंकि आप लोगों को पता है weeds are herbaceous plants, they are unwanted herbaceous plants. So any biological organism that can be used against these weeds, it is known as bioherbicide. Bioinsecticides are those biological organisms which are used against insects. So these biopesticides are divided into two types. One bioherbicide and the second one is bioinsecticide. Bioherbicides वो बायोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं जिनको हम अगेंस्ट वीड्स यूज़ करते हैं, और बायोइंसेक्टिसाइड्स वो बायोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं विच आर यूज्ड अगेंस्ट दीज इंसेक्ट्स. नाउ दीज बायोहेर्बिसाइड्स इंक्लूड फॉलोइंग टाइप्स. फर्स्ट इज बायोहेर्बिसाइड्स, यानी वो बायोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनिजम्स जिनको हम वीड्स के अगेंस्ट यूज़ करेंगे in order to control the growth of weeds. These substances are known as, these biological organisms are known as bioherbicides. Now these are of following types. Number first is predator हर्बिवोर्स। एक्चुअली इसमें बहुत सारे इंसेक्ट्स ऐसे आते हैं विच कैन किल द वीड्स और विच कैन, सो दीज इन्वॉल्व specific insects which can use the weeds as their prey. So there is actually predator prey relationship. जैसे अगर मैं यहाँ कॉकनील इंसेक्ट की बात करूँगा, कैक्टोब्लास्टिस कैक्टोरम, it is commonly known as cochineal insect. ये वो इंसेक्ट है that mostly feeds on the weed opuntia. यानी cochineal insect here acts as predator and this weed known as opuntia is its prey. So there is predator and prey association. Cochineal insect can utilize or it can consume the opuntia as its prey, and this cochineal insect itself acts as the predator. So these are known as predator herbivores. They can use their weeds as their prey. Another example of this predator herbivore is Chrysolina beetles. So this cochineal insect can control the growth of opuntia in India. It can be used as bioherbicide. We can use this cochineal insect as bioherbicide and can be used for the elimination of the opuntia species. Another example of this predator herbivore is Chrysolina beetles, which can kill the Calamoth weed. So these beetles, Chrysolina beetles, can be used as bioherbicides against this Calamoth weed. Another example is beetle Zygogramma, which has been used for the elimination of the Parthenium weed in Australia. Parthenium is a weed which can be killed by using the Zygogramma beetles. So these insects which feed on these specific weeds, they are considered as predator herbivores. They can be used as bioherbicides for the elimination of large number of weeds. जैसे मैंने आपको यहाँ बताया, कैक्टोब्लास्टिस जो कैक्टोरम इंसेक्ट है, जिसको कॉमनली कहते हैं कॉकनील इंसेक्ट, दिस कॉकनील इंसेक्ट कैन बी यूज्ड against opuntia. It can kill this opuntia or it can consume this opuntia. So opuntia here acts as prey for cochineal insect, which is the predator of this opuntia. Another example is Chrysolina beetles, which can act as predators of prey Calamoth weed. Likewise, we have beetle Zygogramma, which acts as the predator for the Parthenium weed. So here Parthenium is the prey of Zygogramma beetle, which acts as predator of this Parthenium. So these weeds can be eliminated by using these insects, so they can act as bioherbicide. इसी तरह हमारे पास बहुत सारे फंजे हैं that can be used against these weeds or which can be used for the elimination of these weeds. जैसे इनको हम लिखते हैं mycoherbicides. These are first bioherbicides which were used in India on large scale for controlling these weeds. So mycoherbicides are actually fungi which are used for the control of weeds. Whenever you can use fungi for the elimination or for the controlling of weeds, we can say it is mycoherbicide. As I already told you, these are the first herbicides which were used in India on large scale. And these include, for example, we have Phytophthora palmivora. It is a fungus, can be used for the control of milkweed vine in citrus orchards. यानी Phytophthora palmivora एक फंगस है which was used or can nowadays be used for controlling the growth of milkweed vine in citrus orchards. यानी ये जो वीड है ये ज़्यादातर इन सिट्रस ऑर्चिड्स में ग्रो होता है, जिससे इन सिट्रस प्लांट्स को डैमेज होता है, यील्ड में कमी आती है. सो यू कैन यूज़ द फंगस नेमली Phytophthora palmivora which can control the growth of this milkweed vine. Hence citrus plants or the yield of citrus plant can be saved, or we can increase the yield of these citrus fruits. इसी तरह यहाँ डिवाइन एंड कालिगो, these are actually fungal spores. Divine and Caligo are actually spores from fungi which can be used for the elimination of large number of weeds. So whenever any fungi can be used for the elimination or for inhibiting the growth of weeds, these are known as mycoherbicides. These are known as mycoherbicides. जिसमें मैंने आपको बताया Phytophthora palmivora है, that can be used against milkweed vine. इसी तरह divine, caligo, these are actually the spores of fungi which can be used for elimination of large number of weeds. इसी तरह इसी बायोहर्बिसाइड्स में एक और एग्जांपल आती है ट्रांसजेनिक प्लांट्स की. ट्रांसजेनिक प्लांट्स के बारे में मैंने आपको बताया, दीज आर दोज प्लांट्स विच कैरी द फॉरेन जीन्स. दे में कैरी insect resistant gene or they may be carrying the pest resistant gene, herbicide resistant gene. So these are known as transgenic plants, and these plants can be used for controlling the growth of weeds. Mostly इसमें जो आता है transgenic tomato है. We have this transgenic tomato which can be used for the elimination of large number of weeds. Transgenic tobacco है which is mostly used as against large number of weeds as herbicide. इसी तरह transgenic tomato है, it can be used against horn worm larvae. So it possesses an insect resistant gene. So this transgenic tomato can be used for controlling the growth of these insects, or this transgenic tobacco can be used as bioherbicide. इसी तरह sometimes we can use these. There are certain weeds. For example, we have this amaranthus है. There is one more, chenopodium. These weeds can be eliminated either by using them as vegetables or animal fodder. So these two types of weeds, that is amaranthus as well as chenopodium, they can be eliminated or their growth can be controlled by using them either as vegetables or as animal fodder. That means amaranthus and chenopodium, they can be either consumed as vegetables or they can be used as animal fodder. due to which the their growth can be controlled or they can be eliminated from the surface of earth. इसी तरह इसमें एक और टाइप है बायो, जो दूसरा टाइप मैंने आपको बताया बायो इंसेक्टिसाइड्स। बायो इंसेक्टिसाइड्स जिसके बारे में मैंने आपको थोड़ा बहुत बताया, ये वो बायोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनिजम्स है विच कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर कंट्रोलिंग डिजीज काजिंग इंसेक्ट्स, यानी वो बायोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनिजम्स जिनको हम यूज़ करेंगे अगेंस्ट द इंसेक्ट्स, they are considered as bioinsecticides, and these bioinsecticides include, number first is Sporine. The Sporine was developed in Germany from bacterial species Bacillus thuringiensis. ये वो बैक्टीरियल स्पीशीज़ है जिसमें एक इंसेक्ट रेजिस्टेंट जीन होता है, and this insect resistant gene can be used against a large number of insects like flies, moths, mosquitoes. So it acts as bioinsecticide. Sporine from bacterial species Bacillus thuringiensis can be used as bioinsecticide against a large number of insects including these flies, moths, mosquitoes, butterflies as well as beetles which can cause damage to our crops. इसी तरह there is one more bioinsecticide, it is known as azadirachtin. This azadirachtin can be obtained from नीम प्लांट, जिसको हम बॉटनी में कहते हैं एजा डायरेक्टा इंडिका। ये टूथपेस्ट में भी होता है ये एजाडायरेक्टिन। दिस कैन बी यूज्ड एज बायो इंसेक्टिसाइड इन ऑर्डर टू किल लार्ज पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंसेक्ट्स। इसी तरह हमारे पास एक और बायो इंसेक्टिसाइड है पायरिथ्रम, which is obtained from क्रिजेंथीमम स्पीशीज। क्रिजेंथीमम एक प्लांट है, इस प्लांट से हमें जो बायो इंसेक्टिसाइड है उस बायो इंसेक्टिसाइड का नाम है पायरिथ्रम, एंड दिस पायरिथ्रम कैन बी यूज्ड इन मॉस्किटो कॉइल्स एज मॉस्किटो रिपेलेंट। It can be used against flies, moths, etc. So we can control or we can kill large number of insects by using this pyrethrum. Hence it can be used as bioinsecticide. इसी तरह जो निकोशियाना टबैकम है, जिसको कॉमनली हम टबैको कहते हैं, इसमें एक निकोटीन होता है। That nicotine can also be used as bioinsecticide. इस पर उमूमन वुचान यम सात घर में हम जब देखते हैं तो इसमें जो धुआं निकलता है उससे बहुत सारे इंसेक्ट्स भाग जाते हैं। सो निकोटीन दैट कैन बी ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम निकोशियाना टबैको प्लांट और इट्स ड्राइड लीव्स कैन बी यूज्ड एज बायो इंसेक्टिसाइड्स। इसी तरह थ्यूरोसाइड एक और इंसेक्टिसाइड है, थ्यूरोसाइड। इट इज़ आल्सो वन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट bioinsecticide obtained from the same bacterial species Bacillus thuringiensis। यानी ये वो बैक्टीरियल स्पीशीज़ है जिससे हमें स्पोरिन भी मिलता है और जिससे हमें थ्यूरोसाइड भी मिलता है। बोथ स्पोरिन एज वेल एज थ्यूरोसाइड दे कैन बी यूज्ड एज bioinsecticides in order to control the growth of large population of insects. Thank you very much.